Today I'm going to teach exercise 4.3 quadratic equation. Question number 3. Solve this equation. How to solve? By taking square. Simple. Both these are not same, so simple we take the square by taking square. Taking square on both sides. Under root 2x plus 8 plus under root x plus 5 whole square is equal to 7 square. Now this term we consider a and this term we consider b. A plus b whole square. Now a square means 2x plus 8 square plus b square. B is x plus 5 whole square plus 2a into b. 2x plus 8 into x plus 5 is equal to 7 49. This 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. 2x plus 8 plus x plus 5 plus 2 under root. So now 16 2x square 8 to the 16 into x plus 8 into x plus 5 3x square plus 8x 10x. So 3x square plus 18x plus 40 is equal to 49. 2 plus 3x plus 13 plus 2 under root 3x square plus 18x plus 40 is equal to 49. Now 2 under root 3x square plus 18x plus 40 is equal to 49 minus 3x minus 13. So 49 6 36 minus 3x minus 36 positive 13 and 36. So 2 under root 3x square plus 18x plus 40 as it is. Now again we will take square. Why we take square? We want to basically remove square sign. Again taking square on both sides. 2 under root 3x square plus 18x plus 40 square is equal to 36 minus 3x square. Now 2 square and 3x square plus 18x plus 40 square and 36 9x square 36 2 into 3 minus 216x plus 1296. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel. 4 into 3x square plus 18x plus 40 is equal to 9x square minus 216x plus 1296. Now further what we will do? 4 3 2x square and 2x square. This is 2x square, 2x square 2x into x becomes 2x square, not 3x square. 2x square, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. 4 2s are 8x square plus 18 4s are 72x plus 4 4s are 160 is equal to 9x square minus 216x plus 12 96. Now 9x square will take in the right side, positive 8 become negative 8, minus 216 as it is, positive 70 become negative 72, and plus 1296 minus 160 equal to 0. After solving, what we get? X square minus 288x plus 1136 is equal to 0. Now this is so much bigger value, so we will apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b is minus 88 plus minus under root b square minus 288 square minus 4 a into c. A is 1 and c is 1136 divided by 2 into a is 1. X is equal to this. Now further we'll solve. What we get? X is equal to minus into minus plus 288 plus minus under root 288 square become 82944 minus 113 multiply for what we get 4544 divided by 2. 288 plus minus under root 7840 divided by 2. Now x is equal to 288 plus minus under root 840 280 divided by 2. So first of all let 288 plus 280 divided by 2. Next time we'll take x is equal to 288 minus 280 divided by 2. So 8 16, what we get? 2 2 the 4, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8. X is equal to, now 8 by 2 4, x is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 4 we named as equation 1. So putting value in, put x is equal to 4. This is checking how to check. Putting x is equal to 4 under root 2x plus 8 plus under root x plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 into 4 plus 8 under root plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 7. 8 plus 8 under root plus 9. 16 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 7 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. So 4 is the 4. So solution set is equal to x is equal to 4, and we further check 284 by putting value of 284, and if 284, so let's start put x is equal to 284 in equation 1. Under root 2 into 284 plus 8 plus under root 284 plus 5 is equal to 7. 284 into 284 into 4, what it gives? 576 plus 289. So this is the square root of 576 is the square root of 24. 24 plus 17 is equal to 7, which is not equal to, so the solution set become 4. This is not equal to, so this is our extraneous root and this is our solution set. So we solve question by this method. First of all, we will take square root. Again we will take square root. Why we taking square root? Because we want to remove this square root and this square root. So we will taking square to eliminate square root. This our solution set becomes, as solution set is equal to 4. This is our required solution.